This is it. This is it. This is what you have to do first. This is a true or false quiz, all right? So I need you to take out a pen and a piece of paper and just write down a T or an F based on each question. Are we ready to go? Should I move over a little bit for the slides? First question. There's just not enough time. Not enough time in the day. True or false for you? Okay, you can type it in the comments too if you want. Okay? Excellent. True or false? Growth feels so slow for you on like all platforms, and even in your business in general. It just feels like, oh, this is not happening fast enough. There's definitely some bottlenecking going on. True or false? Awesome. Very, very good. All right, next question. Overwhelm is a real thing. True or false? T or F? Number 4, I'm doing a lot of things outside my core skill set. True or false? I want to make more money and I kind of want to work less. True or false? All right. Last one. I feel like I really can't afford to hire help. True or false? I feel like I can't. And be honest there. I just feel like I can't afford to hire help right now. Here's the deal. If you answered true to more than 2 of these, it is time for you to hire help. If you answered true to 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7, like we are beyond the point that you need to hire help. The greatest misconception that I can think of is that you can't afford to hire help, and so therefore I'm going to make more money. Once I make enough money, then I'll be able to hire help. That's a misconception. Okay? We can take those slides down for just a second so that I can really get real with y'all. Let me get real with y'all. It's opposite. You aren't going to make more money in your business until you hire help. If you do, it's going to be because either luck stepped in or you're working more. But if ultimately you want to work less and make more, we have to hire. 1 person, 5 hours a week. So let me know in the comments right now, if it were someone, if you could do this for $50 a week, and you could get in the process 10 hours of productivity of somebody who's probably better at these things than you, if it only cost you $50, would that be worth it to you to just try for 2 weeks? Like, would that be a worthwhile? So think about it this way. Would it be worth it to you? Would it be worth spending $100 to get 40 hours worth of productivity over the course of 2 weeks? Would it be worth it to you to just try and see if it works? It is possible to make this happen, and it's a lot easier than what you think. The biggest obstacle is going to be this. Are y'all ready? Y'all ready? I'm going to have to ask you to take a couple days off social media to do it. Like 2 days. Maybe a day. And for whatever reason, for some of you, you just can't do that. You just can't. I don't know why. I guess it's like a self-limiting belief. I don't know. But like, y'all, 2 days and you're going to bust through your ceiling. But why can't we do that? And when I say taking the time off, I don't mean just you posting. I mean you not looking at TikToks, you avoiding looking at other people's content, like literally like not looking at any apps for like 2 days, and you would have your first team member hired. That's all this is going to take. Probably less than that. I'm giving you this big buffer in case my mom is watching, and I know she's going to be confused by all of it. So like even my mom could do this in 2 days, okay? But you have to like focus on this because we're addicted to the social. I gotcha. This is it. This is it. This is what you have to do first. You have to do this first. I don't want you setting up your Clubhouse profile. I don't want you making a new reel. I don't want you doing any of that because I care about your success, right? I don't make any money from telling you to do this, but you will. And that's going to create this like really strong bond between us because you are going to be like you're going to be a professor in my academy someday, and you're going to be the person who I end up hiring because you know like everything there is to know about this one thing, and you're going to be talking to our audience someday, and you're going to say, you know, it was when Chalene finally like got through my thick skull that I needed to hire more team.